I'm Mark Salazar. I go to Victoria East High School, and I'm in the 12th grade. The reason I joined the Auto Tech program is because it's a good career choice for me in the future. After graduation, I'd like to attend UTI, the University of Technical Institution in Houston, so I can learn on auto collision and auto mechanics.
My name is Jose Vasquez. I'm a junior and I go to Victoria West High School. I joined the program because I wanted to learn how to get more into cars and to probably get in diesel later on when I graduate. What I learned in my program is how to change tires and put the lifts.
Some things I've learned in this program is balancing tires and rotating them, changing the oil in them, learning bin numbers and identifying which numbers match which.
That this is a good program for whoever wants to join that doesn't know that much about cars and wants to get into fixing them or get into a tire shop or start their own business with cars or fixing other stuff.
I feel like you really should, because if you're going to take it as a career choice, like, it's something you can learn as now, and then it's going to help you later on in your life, getting you into more colleges, better in colleges.